Now she's going to look after him with the food for long enough for me to go in here, because last time when we were walking around with him and holding him so that he didn't get away, he's a bit more calm than he was before. Golly, I couldn't actually go in here because he was already mucking about and pulling in all directions. But this time I can actually go in here and look around properly for you. This, if I remember rightly, is meerkats. There's, oh no, it's hot rock hyrexes. There's one up there, and another one down there. Isn't it? Gonna do anything interesting? You're good. You're doing interesting bits. Okay, that's rock hyrexes. And here's supposed to be elephants, but obviously it's a nice day, so they haven't wanted their internal part with all the palm trees and everything. Real palm trees, real big tropical plants here, bushes. Even in flower, some of them, like hibiscus appears to be in flower. Isn't that nice? A hibiscus in flower indoors. Also known as a China rose. That's very nice, isn't it? The hibiscus in flower over there. I won't push it though, there's a nice croton. So even though there's no elephants in here at the moment, just to see how nicely it's been catered for them. And there's a selection as well of elephant art from around the world, in case anybody likes that sort of thing. It's not for sale, it's just a collection, 513 different elephants gifted to the zoo by the Vojevoda Mazowieckiego, the sheriff of Mazowiecki County, Mr. Leszek Mizielinski, which is easy for you to say. So there we have it. There's a big agave there. Agave, my love, a cactus which has no thorns. Ah, here they are, nicely eating. Kids can eat a lot and not get fat, whereas that's not the case with me. Here it comes, or maybe not.
Ma naprawdę długie, tak? Aha, jest do siebie. Fajnie jedzą ziemię.
Hi. You get a better look at them here than you do in Whipsnade, that's for sure. That's for sure.
Pojedziemy za tydzień do Poznania, prawda?
Yeah, sure we are. Of course.
A gdzie? A gdzie? Gdzie to jest te zoo, o którym mówiłeś?
Pońsk.
Wrocław?
Płock, sorry, Płock. Possibly. But I'd rather go to church, you know. We didn't go this week because there was nobody to look after George.
Hey, George will Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Fotografować?
Well, he's just doing some interesting behaviours then, because he started like digging and the stuff he was digging started to strange. The others are over there. That's a bit of a big foot. You wouldn't like that on your head, would you?
Big butt, big butt.
Right, enough of that. The minute I turn this off, of course, he'll probably chuck some earth around again like he did a minute ago, but well, there's one coming over.
Co o to ci chodzi?
Oh, he's chucking, he's chucking. What are you doing? Don't make it look as though you're going to go over the boundaries.
Nie wiem, o co mu chodzi.
Yeah, well, just don't muck about, okay? Otherwise we'll get chucked out of the zoo.
Nie!
Stop it, stop it. You're not allowed to do that. Right, more craziness. Not funny. Come on. Okay, enough of that.